Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's session, we're going to see how to do addition of mixed fraction. Okay, so here are some problems which I have taken. Okay, so how to do addition of this type of fraction. Okay, so I'll start with the solution. So always make a habit of copying the question again as a part of your answer. Okay, fine. So now what you're going to do is you're going to multiply whatever is there over here. You're going to multiply your 3 with whatever is there over here, and whatever answer you're getting, okay, whatever answer you're going to get over here, that you're going to add with your numerator. Same thing you're going to do with the other fraction also. So why we are doing this? We are doing this to convert our mixed fraction into a proper fraction or an improper fraction. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so as I told you, multiply 3 2s is 6. Whatever answer you are getting, so here I got the answer is 6. 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 2 is how much? 6 7 8. So my answer is 8. Okay, so whatever is there in my denominator, that will remain the same. So I'm going to write 3 as it is. So similarly, next you're going to write plus. Again, what did I say? You're going to multiply, right? 2 3s are 6 and you're going to add with your numerator. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and whatever is there in denominator, that will remain the same. Okay, now here my denominators are not the same, so what I'm going to do, either I'm going to go for cross multiplication or I can go for the LCM method. Okay, I'll go for cross multiplication. Okay, so let's multiply 8 into 2 plus will come as it is, then 7 into 3, and in my denominator it will be 3 into 2. Okay, so now let's see, 8 2s are 16 plus 3 7s are 21 upon 3 2s are 6. So if I add, what am I going to get? 16 plus 21 is 37 upon 6. Okay, so 37 and 6 does not come in one table, so 37 upon 6 is my answer. Okay, so similarly there is one more problem. Okay, so what you all can do, you all can try to solve this problem. Okay, I'll just give you all the answer and you all can cross check if you're getting the same answer or not. Okay, so the answer of this should be 179 upon 21. Okay, so just like how I have solved this problem, similarly try to solve this problem and just check if you are getting this answer or not. I hope this is clear to you all. Yeah, thank you.